Finding the volume of cone. One thing to remember on the volume of cone is that its formula can be determined from the volume formula for a cylinder. Here is the formula for finding the volume of cone. Pi times radius times height divided by 3, or volume equals pi r squared h over 3. Let us look at some examples of finding the volume of cone. Look at the cone on the right. The radius and height are all given. The solution should be volume equals pi r squared h over 3, or divided by 3, equals 3.14, which is the value of pi, times 3 squared, or the radius, which is 3 centimeters, multiplied by itself, times 6 centimeters, which is the height, over 3. We should first solve the radius, since there is an exponent 2. So you should just multiply it by itself. So 3 times 3 equals 9. You then write 3.14 times 9 centimeters times 6 centimeters over 3. Solve first all the measurements on the top of the solution. So, when you multiply the pi, the radius, and the height, the answer is 169.56 centimeters over 3, or divided by 3. When you divide 169.56 by 3, the answer is 56.5 cubic centimeters. For the sake of our lesson, remember to round off the decimal to the nearest tenth place, or one place value after the decimal point. Here is another example. The solution is volume equals pi r squared h over 3. The radius in this problem is 4 inches. So, you will write 3.14 times 4 cubed times 10 inches over 3. Again, solve first the radius. So, multiply the radius by itself, or 4 times 4. We then get 16. So, we write 3.14 times 16 inches times 10 inches over 3. Solve first the problems on top of the solution. The answer is 502.4 inches. Then divide it by 3. Our final answer will be 167.5 cubic inches. Again, when necessary, round off the decimal to the nearest tenth place. Here is our final example of the problem for finding out the volume of cone. We are given the radius of 5 feet and the height of 7 feet. We then write our solution. Volume equals pi radius squared h over 3 equals 3.14 times 5 squared times 7 feet over 3. Again, solve first the radius. 5 times 5 equals 25. So, 3.14 times 25 feet times 7 feet over 3. Then, we get 549.5 feet over 3. And our final answer will be 183.2 cubic feet.